I think this is the first time I ever come to AutoZone not looking like I just got out of a dumpster. And to make this even better, they didn't have what I was looking for.
How can I help you?
Hi, I was wondering if you guys have a Nissan 370Z in your lot.
Let me see, 1 moment.
Okay.
No, we don't have any out there, I'm sorry.
No? Okay, thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. This is the bad thing about having like a rare older Nissan Z, especially. Junkyards don't have them, and parts are just either really expensive or pretty scarce. I promise I'm gonna stop talking about it soon, but my favorite thing about the Tomei, you can see the burnt titanium through the wheel well, I guess you can say. Looks so sick. Which one would you guys choose? Older gen with the turbos or the new Z? To be honest, after driving both, and a lot of you might honestly hate me for saying this, I had more fun driving the 300 than I did the 370. To be honest, I don't know 100% why. I guess just the fact that it's like an older, more rare Nissan. It has turbos. The feel of it is so fun, and so you can feel so much more attached to the car. I don't know, I absolutely love this car, and I cannot wait to have it driving again. By the way, ordered the clutch last night, so it should be here in 3 to 4 days, and after that, you should be good. All right, so for today's project with the 300, we're gonna try, well, we're not gonna try, we're gonna go ahead and wrap this trim right here. We're gonna trim this trim piece, this trim piece. There we go. There we go. First trim piece. You basically just gotta get it out of this like little groove right here, and then you basically just push it. And then you basically just push it up, and everything just starts coming up and up and up, and you got it. Let's go. This is so dirty. But first, I'm pretty sure we really gotta clean this though. There might be a little bit of background noise, so I apologize for that. But first, we're gonna be using the just regular 3M black vinyl that I've had for like the longest time. After that, we're gonna need some water, 200 degrees in Florida. This is probably as smooth as it's gonna get, so we're gonna let it dry. It's kind of wet right now. Oh, this is gonna look good. I'm super hyped how this is gonna turn out. As we're trying to save money, 100%. Don't waste money on this. These trims cost like 100 and something. Just do what I'm doing. But I measure it correctly though. We do not want to cut wrong, like I sort of just did. Yep, that's perfect. Make it squeegee. Basically make it where it doesn't look like wrap. Like you want to make it look where it's new and it's not really a wrap. Oh, this is looking good. I'm hyped. The corners might be a little tricky though. Around here in the corner, you might want to cut it a little bit. As you can see, like goes in. Don't just leave it straight. Look kind of weird. So just kind of knife it up with the blade. Check this out. Check this out. So this is basically the before, and this is the after. Like, look at that. That looks brand new, painted. That does not look like it's a wrap. Look at that. Woo. Oh man, I'm so happy that this turned out. Look how much better that looks. It looks like literally brand new trim, boys. Not even kidding. This is a little bit longer than my whole wrap together, so this is gonna be tricky. This one was 100% more difficult, but we pulled it off. I don't know how, but damn, just put it on top of the wing. That looks so good. All right, so at last, holy crap, I'm tired. And this took forever to put back. Here is the final product. let's go. Look how clean that looks. But there's one slight problem, and I'm gonna show you guys right now. It doesn't turn on, boys. It doesn't turn on. So I basically figured out the reason why the car isn't starting. So as I was telling you guys, I have a major problem with something called the PTU, which is very important in this car. It is that little piece, all those wires right there. And the reason why I think this is the problem that the car's not starting is because the PTU actually controls part of the injector system. So if the injectors aren't firing, then the engine isn't getting any fuel, so it can't really turn on the car. That sun. Oh my god, I get scraped so freaking hard. I promise I'm being responsible. I promise. Like every vlog I'm in the gas station. It sucks. And a 3, and a 2, and a 1. And I was just thinking, oh, I've been wanting to do this for a long time. I wish I could go more in depth and compare everything, like racing and all that. Trust me, it's gonna come, but today's gonna be like part 1 of comparison, which basically the engine bay, you could say. Do you guys remember the other day when I was talking about tucking and how nowadays it comes, the car already comes tucked basically? I was not kidding. Alright, so this is my 09 370Z. I got intakes, which doesn't come like that originally, so I guess it takes up less space than the original boxes. This is something that's really taking up space, which obviously it's aftermarket catch cans that did not come with the car, but basically the car would normally be like this. Wires are nicely put, everything's hitting on the sidewalls, under everything. You can't really see anything. You come over to Lizzy, and this part, it comes with a high cast, which I'm gonna put pictures on the screen. There's just a bunch of cables and everything. That's basically what activates a 4-wheel drive. And yeah, I don't know how to explain it very well, but it's like a 4-wheel drive mechanism where the car also turned slightly from the rear wheels, and yeah, that whole thing is called a high cast. Up here we had the cruise control, and then we had another little module for the cruise control. And then on this side we have the whole fuse for the air fan, the theft, things like that. And on the 370, I feel like we have it, but yeah, it's this one right here. So they're in the same spot, but look how much smaller this one is compared to that one. Let's keep looking. The fan, I mean, the fan in all these older cars, like the Supra and all, were like out like that. This, it's still there, but it's so much covered. Like this one brings a little plastic that goes like over here, which I have it in the back, or right there. Like everything, I don't know, like they just cover everything on the newer cars. Here you can literally see everything, like the manifold. There's a cover that covers that manifold. The fuel filter and fuel lines are like all out here. To be honest with you, I might sound stupid, but I really don't even know where that is in the 370. Probably easy to find. It's probably somewhere back there, but I mean, such a big difference. Both of them do not have back seats. Yes, you can get a 300 with back seats, but I got the 2+0, so it goes right to the hatch. The thing that I love so much in these cars is these little, here you have the cruise control, the light, I don't know what this is for, but like basically those things. And then on the other side you have the AC control, the wiper, the emergency lights, everything. So you have everything at your hands. Like I love that. I don't know why they took it out of this one. And lengthwise, to be honest, I feel like they're the same length. The 370 obviously looks more beefy and bigger, but in all honesty, I think they're the same width and around the same length. They got the same body line going down like that, which I love that they kept on the Z, just that smooth body line. Headlights are completely different. Like they went a complete different route with the headlights. Oh, that's something that's very different. And another thing that I haven't touched on, which both of you probably know, these are both V engines. This is a VG and this is a VQ. That pretty much does it for today's video, guys. I just kind of wanted to work on the 300 again and just do that comparison because I've always wanted to. Obviously, I'm gonna do another one in the future when we're actually able. I can give somebody Brittney, I can drive the 300 somewhere. We can like race them and really compare them. It's gonna be awesome. But with all that said, boys, hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for supporting the 300. I'm gonna finish off that side and then show you guys probably next video how it turns out. Thank you seriously for watching all the 300 videos, 370Z videos. We're about to hit 20,000 subscribers, bro. So if you're not subscribed already, what are you doing? Alright, I gotta do some homework. So we love you guys. Peace out. See you on the next one. Don't forget to turn on notifications. Peace. god, get covered.